When working with dynamics in Modo, real-world gravity is applied globally by default. Let's take a look. Start by creating a simple plane with multiple segments and use the shortcut key Shift-Tab to convert the mesh to sub-Ds. Select the top two corner verts and create a new weight map with an initial value of 1. In item mode, add soft body dynamics to the mesh and change its goal matching attribute to 100% and use the weight map we created for the goal map. If we run the sim, we'll see gravity take hold of the mesh item. The gravity settings can be found in the solver item. Modo has additional dynamic forces that can be applied to the scene that can influence dynamic items. Let's take a look at a couple of these options. Adding a Turbulence Force item to the scene will apply a noise-like function that adds randomness to the simulation. Scaling the item controls the size of the turbulence, and additional attributes can be adjusted such as strength, torque, and octaves. A common dynamic force is the wind force. Simply add it to your scene and rotate it in the direction you'd like to have the wind applied to the dynamic item. As you can see, multiple dynamic forces can be used together. These forces are applied globally and affect both dynamic items as well as particle items. There are 7 different types of forces available to affect dynamic objects, so be sure to spend some time exploring all of them.